Okay, it is Friday, August 28th. This is my air cleaner. I just cleaned it, just painted it. And here's the history of my Mustang. My Mustang was given to me by Ralph Duros on June 15th, 2007. It is obviously beat up a little bit, and I'm going to be showing you. The brakes were frozen when I got it. I was not able to get them completely apart. And as you see behind the wheel, that's all that is there at the moment. Waiting for brake parts so I can put them back together. Then we get into the engine, which currently has the valve cover off of it. My friend Frank Haas is painting that for me. Battery happens to be in my truck because that died the other day. A little beat up, as you can see, the rust. My next project, which is in the house at the moment, is the master cylinder, which will be coming out soon as I get my stainless steel brake lines, which should be coming in the mail any moment. This is just covering up so no water gets into the engine itself. Just waiting for the valve cover once again. Everything, it does turn over, it just doesn't start yet. That is my engine, my little 6-cylinder 200 CID engine. As you see, once again, I have this brake off. Rust everywhere. The tag from 85. August of 85. Only, what was it? 24 years ago. Rust throughout. There's a nice plate on there that Ralph must have put on there for me. Rust, as you see. I cleaned out the gas tank a little while ago. This obviously needs to be redone. But as you see, it is a fastback. Alright, let's go to the interior, which is certainly not pretty at this time. This seat is removed, it's just sitting in there. And as you can see, we have no floors. Dead battery. And my dashboard. Dashboard has to come up, obviously it's warped and ripped. Glove compartment doesn't close. Gonna need a new steering wheel. I plan on making this entirely black. We take all the plastic pieces out, clean them, and paint them. Automatic. Air conditioner that Frank put in there. I'm sorry, Ralph put in there. Ralph is going to eventually give me the original radio. Not very pretty. Not very pretty at all. But one day, we'll see. That's what I'm working on. Back seat, a couple spare little parts back here. I'm keeping all my stuff in here because it's the easiest way to do it. There's my door. My hood, which I've worked on a little bit. A lot of surface rust. A lot of surface rust. weather stripping. And of course, interior. And here we are at my dashboard. Pieces are pitted. All this comes out and gets completely redone. Believe it or not, the light in the back here does go on when the battery's in and the wipers work. After that, it goes downhill very quickly. But needs a lot of work, but I'm here, I'm doing it. Putting my 15 minutes in every chance I get. And before you know it, it'll be on the street. But as I said, it is a 67 Mustang fastback. Very cool car. And one day this puppy will be out driving around.